What's up, y'all? So anyway, me and my wife headed out for ice cream. I can't put her on camera right now because she got a helmet here. But anyway, I lost my GoPro. Look at that. My GoPro 360 snapped right off of there. So I'm sad, but I'm good though. Guy just seen, he just walked into the store, see my bike sitting right here, and seeing me and my wife sitting out eating ice cream, said we was living the good life. But anyway, I'll get another one. I ain't tripping. Well, anyway, short video I want to show y'all. Oh, my wife got her helmet on. I bought that helmet for her, right? So on the way here, a couple told her she had a nice helmet. I wanted her to say, my husband bought this for me, he picked it out, but she just said thanks. That's cool too though. Anyway, if anybody wants to loan me a new GoPro 360, y'all know how to get in contact with me. Like, share, subscribe, hit the bell. Thumbs up too.